Hello, Dontia Smiles! Christmas time is here, and we can see carnivals happening all around the city of joy, Kolkata. So, last weekend, we were invited by a dear Dontia Smiles to their complex, ideal Lakeview villas for an event called Meena Bazaar. This is an annual event for the residents of this complex, and the proceedings of these exhibitions go for a noble cause. I know you must be thinking, dentist, what will you do at the carnival? Probably the kids will get scared looking at you. Going by our motto, we spread smiles, we thought, why not arrange a giveaway? That was an activity of spin the wheel. Wherever the needle stops, according to the color code, everybody who participated got a gift from us. Thank you, and that's Dontia for you. Spreading smiles.